Hello and welcome to HCL Workload Automation 9.5. Come take a tour of the HCL Dynamic Workload Console. In this video we will be giving you an overview of the Dynamic Workload Automation Dashboard. You will be shown how to navigate your way around the user interface, learn how to customize your dashboard. We will be covering the following topics: Single Entry Point Page, Boards, Favorites, Administration, Design, Planning, Monitoring and Reporting, Manage Data Sources, the Automation Hub, the Self-Service Catalog, the Self-Service Dashboard, the Application Lab, and Workload Automation Community website. You can find the timestamps of the content we will cover in the video description field below. From a single point of control, you can download and install agents, create, run and monitor your workload. After logging into the console, you will be presented with the single entry point page. From here you can access the Dynamic Workload Console, Self-Service Catalog, Self-Service Dashboard and the Application Lab. The single entry point page shows the navigation bar across the top, organized in categories. Each category drops down to display a number of options. The navigation bar at the top of the page is your entry point to the Dynamic Workload Console. Gain control of your HCL workload automation environments through the Dynamic Workload Console window. The three circular buttons at the bottom gives you access to manage your engines, design your workload and monitor your workload. The Self-Service UI's window is used to set up predefined work to be accessed by using your mobile device. The three circular buttons show where you can scan the QR code, access the Self-Service Catalog and Dashboard. Use the Application Lab window to create and manage your basic workload. Let's take a closer look at the options shown in the navigation bar. From the Boards tab you can create a customized dashboard to monitor your environment or customize your board with web content. Click Boards, then create board, insert board name and save. From the menu you can share the boards. Boards can be shared to different users according to their roles. By creating boards and filling it with widgets, you will be able to control every scheduling object, from the health of your machines to the list or the number of critical jobs. To add a new widget, click the plus button. Choose among the available widget to compose your customized page and save. Widget type are chosen according to the data source type. The text editor widget gives you the possibility to have useful notes at your fingertips. Use the threshold option to get notified when jobs end in error. For graphical view, click Boards, select board you want to view. The panel opens showing a number of widgets which return the results for the most widely used queries. The drill down functionality is enabled by default. Click on the widget you want to drill down on. Click on the jobs to display a picture of the job stream with all its jobs and related dependencies. From the Show Plan view you can navigate through the displayed jobs and job streams, choosing the level of predecessors and successors to display. The Favorites icon lets you access your daily tasks. To add a task to Favorites, simply click the star icon in the drop-down menu. After selecting your favorite tasks, you will find them under the Favorites drop-down for easy access. You can also define which pages must be automatically launched when logging into the console by pinning them. Use the Administration tab to manage and define your workload security settings or to access broker settings. In this panel you can specify different security attributes for some or all of your users. From the Access Control List section you can give access to users or groups and manage the list. From the Folders section you can organize your existing scheduling objects that use a specific naming convention into folders. For folder options, click Workload Designer, select an engine and click Explore. Here you can create a new folder, add a new job stream or job definition. Organize all your scheduling objects into folders. Use the workflow folders to group your objects according to your lines of business or other custom categories to help you identify and monitor your workload. Create a new role by defining the actions that user or group can do. Click to manage security roles. The list of the available security roles is displayed. Use the Security Domain Details panel to add a new domain by defining the set of objects that users or groups can manage. Enter the security domain name, select the type of security domain that you want to define. Click to manage security domains. The list of the available security domains is displayed. Select a role and click Remove, Edit or duplicate the selected role. Use the Design tab to manage your workload objects, list workload definitions and explore your folders. From the Design tab you can also manage your SAP jobs and access your broker design options. Use the Planning button for workload forecast and workload submission options. Click Monitoring and Reporting for workload monitoring, event monitoring, reporting, security and broker monitoring options. This section will allow you to gather historical data or details about your plans. Monitor your workload by simply selecting one or multiple engines, select the object type you want to monitor, customize your queries by setting of filters, run a query to view the results. Check the job logs instantly to view results and taking corrective actions. Use the search icon by entering all or part of the name of task or page you want to open. Click the Manage Data Sources icon to add new data sources from an internal query or from an external API. Use the Search panel to search through the list of data sources. The Add New Plan Query button allows you to add a new internal data source from a query in the plan. The Add New REST API button allows you to add a data source from an external REST API. Click the bell icon to view notifications. Click the Users icon to personalize your user setting, access the Help section, return to the Welcome page, access the Automation Hub or log out. From the Automation Hub you can find continuous delivery of new job plugins to help you with automation solutions, discover the latest releases, learn more on the scenarios with videos and our blog posts. Access the Self-Service Catalog and Self-Service Dashboards directly from your mobile device. The Self-Service Catalog is a solution to automate routine business tasks and run them from mobile devices without having to install and learn about the whole HCL workload automation product. From the Self-Service Dashboard you can get an overall picture of your jobs and workstations. You can drill down and view detailed information about jobs, critical jobs, risk levels, late jobs, job logs, and workstations. Create multiple services by applying simple or complex sets of filters for each dashboard. Get a quick overview picture with just one single click on your mobile device. The Application Lab is a web-based user interface, available for creating, running, and monitoring a set of simple business processes. Deliver business value faster with the Application Lab's easy-to-use interface. Keep up to date on blogs, upcoming events, and available resources by visiting our Workload Automation Community website.